How to reinstall keyboard driver in Windows. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly head toward your Start menu and search for Device Manager. Double click on the application, and once you are in Device Manager, go to your keyboard driver and click on Update. Then choose the option of Browse My Computer. Search for the driver in your computer. Simply click on Next. After that, you can see the option of Install from Disk. Simply click on OK. Search for the file from the File Explorer. And after that, once you click on OK, you are good to go. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.